holding back a sneeze? Sounds harmless, but wait till you hear this. That pressure can blast straight into your ears, and yes, even rupture an eardrum. Tiny blood vessels in your nose? Boom! Sneeze pressure can snap them. Hello, nosebleed. Believe it or not, people have literally ripped their throat tissues holding back a sneeze. That sneeze force can pop tiny blood vessels in your eyes, leaving them bloodshot.
Wow!
Extreme cases, aneurysms, even air trapped in the skull. Yikes! So don't trap the sneeze, cover up and let it out safely. See you in the next video. Until then, like, share, subscribe and check out my website biodiaries.com.